4th floor kami. So if it's in 5th floor, maybe mas maganda yung view. So back. Mamaya I'll try to go there. That's the Sopic. That's this beautiful. Oh, ito. Mas maganda yung view. Nandito ka sa 5th floor nito motor. Next time, pwede rin mag-check-in dito. So upon entrance at Checkers Hotel, you'll immediately see their pool and their bar. So these are also rooms here sa baba. And that's the elevator going sa mga rooms sa taas. So it's a good hotel if you want to bring your families, your kids. They can swim here while you watch over them. Pwede naman kung mag-stay dyan. And then, of course, they have some rules, regulations. And they have the restaurant entrance here. The other outside over there, they have the bar also entrance. This is the Checkers restaurant. These are rooms dito sa baba if you want an easy access. If you're a biker, you want to park your bikes. Yan. This is the restaurant. They have their bar also. This is the bar. They have a pool over there. You want to chill at night. So this is the Down Under Sports bar. And this is the entrance exit sa labas. Okay, and they have their menus for breakfast. Breakfast 4 menu, complimentary. We're staying here like this. The view from the back of your room. This is Checkers Hotel, and that is Riviera Hotel. They have a nice pool there also. Maybe next time we'll try to check in there. So let me show you first yung view. Madalian lang. Quick review lang ng Checkers Hotel. Ito yung 5th floor nila. Maganda rin mag-check-in dito kasi may automatic view ka na. Sa baba kasi kami sa 4th level. Now let me show you the room. Alright, now let's go to the bathroom. Bathroom is nice also. Shower, hot and cold, malinis. Ang medyo ito lang. Sana palitan nila yung basahan. Ito yung blue kami na ini-provide. Right. So they have a 46, 50-inch TV. Pwede mong ilagay yung Netflix mo. Ayan. So they also have the washer. Kung matagal ka dito, pwede maglinis. Microwave oven. Pwede magluto. Okay. Meron din silang mga utensils na pwede magamit sa cabinet lang. Ugasan nyo lang. And they have the ref, may water, provided na yan. And, tapos, may veranda ka pa. They have the veranda here. Nice, no? Tapos, yun yung harbor point. Kayala. Long distance lang. 3 minutes lang. Ito na kayo. Ito naman yung view mo sa veranda mo. Mountain view. And that is the pool. Kung gusto mo mag-swimming, yan, no? Kasama mo yung mga kids, family mo, and I think they're gonna enjoy. While they're swimming, you're here, kumakaway-kaway lang kayo. There you go. That's a quick review of Checkers. Mamaya, I'll post na lang kung how much is the room rate. I think it's around 4,000 pesos. Alright. Nice. Hey guys, so if you're looking for a Korean restaurant, it is one of the best here in Subic. Love eating here every time. We have so many choices on the meat, and it's premium. So you can see the view here. Let's go inside. This is how it looks inside. Let me show you the one that we ordered. So many side dishes. Thank you. So this is avocado shake and fresh meat with all the vegetables. Hotel Riviera. This is Manila Highway, and then yon Rizal Highway. That's sample dyan. Ito kami ngayon kakain guys. Today Sunday night. So we'll try this big bite dito sa Harbor Point. What else do they have? They have Vinca, ito bongbong.
Joy. Bilisan mo.
Wow. Ubus na yung mga tinda nila. Joy empanada.
Ma'am, dalawang pasta na yan, ma'am. Sa isang pizza, 100. Dalawang pasta na yan, ma'am.
Pizza, pasta. Oh, they have drinks here. Drinks.